Hello guys, in this section I will cover the topics regarding the classes string, StringBuilder, and StringBuffer. I will first start with the string class, more specifically what happens to string objects. You can create string objects by creating an instance variable with a new keyword, and if you like it, assign a value afterwards. Or by doing the same with a new keyword and putting the value in the constructor, or by using a direct reference to the string value. The string objects are immutable. The variable containing this value can change, but the object itself can't. First, let's create a string object. Then, let's use this uppercase method on it and print it. Now let's use this same variable to be printed here. And we see that the object itself didn't change, even though two string objects were created. The first one didn't make any reference, so it stayed in the memory. Now let's make a reference to this string object in this variable. And we can see that the object itself didn't change. The existing variable just was assigned a new value and printed it. Remember, variables can change, string objects themselves can't. Now let's see what happens when we create a string object from the constructor and a string object from a direct reference. From the constructor, you create two objects, and the direct reference creates one. So, in this first line, we see two existing string objects. Since the string object already exists, two objects just go to search for it. If it didn't exist, they create a new string object. Let's use some comparators. We will compare the direct assignment value variables and those created with the constructor. When we compare these two last objects, the result turned to be true. When we do the same with the first object, it turns out to be false. This is totally a new object, which is created irrespective of the content in the variable. That's why it turned false. This happens whenever you use new.